Hello students, now I'm going to explain 10th class max paper 1. So already we have completed chapter number 1 real numbers children. Next chapter number 2 is sets. So we'll see definition children. Set. We'll see definition of set children. A set is well defined collection of distinct objects. A set is well defined collection of distinct objects. Distinct means it will not repeat children. So a set is well defined if we can decide the given object is an element of the set or not. Element of set or not children. So a set is well defined if we can decide the given object is an element of set or not. Next children, we use capital letters to denote a set like this children, a comma b comma c comma d, all in capital letters. So lowercase letters like a comma b comma c comma d so on are used to denote elements of a set. Are used to denote elements of a set. So a set example, a set of ovals is given by, ovals means you know in English, ovals, what are the ovals children? A E I O U. So whenever we are representing a set, we represent with curly brackets including commas children, a comma e comma I comma o comma u. So the in this way we'll represent in set. Set of natural numbers is given by, natural numbers is denoted by capital N is equals to 1. Starting natural number is 1 2 3 so on children. The commas should be must and curly brackets also must. The collection of all states in Indian Union is also a set. The collection of past presidents of Indian Union is also a set. The collection of good teachers in a school is not a set children. So whether the statement is given like good or bad means it is not a children, it is not a set. Why? Because children, some students may like Telugu teacher, some students may like Hindi, some students may like science, physics, biology. So different opinions it will come children. So it is not a set children. So the collection of good teachers in a school is not a set. The collection of all teachers in a school is set children. All teachers means it is a set. So is it clear children? Difference between good and all. Next do this. So list the teeth under each of the following type children. So you know this is well known to you in biology concept children. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So if you see children, according to your biology knowledge, central incisors are 4, lateral incisors are 4. So total incisors how much how many it will come children? 8. Next total canines how many children? 4. Next first premolar is 4, second premolars also 4. So total premolars are 8. Next first molar is 4, second molar is 4, third molar is 4. So total molars are how many children if you add? 12. So this is well known to you in your biology concept children in teeth in your teeth. Central incisors are how many, lateral incisors total, and total canines how many, first premolar, second premolar, first molar, second molar. This is all well known to you in your biology concept. Next do this children. Identify and write the common property of the following collections. So this is the first question is given children, 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 so on. So these numbers are known as very well set of even numbers. Set of even numbers. Next 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 11 so on. This is a question is given. This is nothing but set of prime numbers. Set of prime numbers. Next 1 comma 4 comma 9 comma 16 so on. So 1 can be written as 1 square, 4 can be written as 2 square, 9 can be written as 3 square, 16 can be written as 4 square. So these all are perfect square numbers. Set of perfect squares. Set of perfect squares. Next January comma February comma March comma April so on. These are all set of months in a year. Set of months in a year. Next thumb comma index finger comma middle finger comma ring finger comma pinky. This is all known as set of fingers of a hand. This is all known as set of fingers of a hand. Is it clear, children? Next, think and discuss. Observe the following collections and prepare as many as generalized statements you can, describing their more properties. Their more properties. So they have given question like this, children. For this question, how many possible conditions are there? That many conditions is asking to write. That is the meaning of your question. So here 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 children's 1. So first we can say a set of even numbers, and next one we can say all positive even integers also. Next we can say multiples of 2, multiples of 2. So in these three styles you can say given condition. Next 1 comma 4 comma 9 comma 16 so on, children. 1 can be written as 1 square, comma 4 can be written as 2 square, 9 can be written as 3 square, 16 can be written as 4 square, so on. So these all are first statement, all perfect square numbers. Next what we can write, children? Square of natural numbers. Square of natural numbers. Is it clear, children? Next to do this. Write the following sets. First question has set of first 5 positive integers, children. Is asking to write first 5 positive integers in set. Means is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. That are the first 5 positive integers. We should not count 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Next, a set of multiples of 5 which are more than 100 and less than 125. Set of multiples of 5 which are more than 100. So more than 100 multiples of 5 is 105. Next it will come 110. Next 115. Next 120. Why? Because it is asking more than 100 less than 125, means these are the 4 numbers it will come, children. Next, set of first 5 cubic numbers. Cubic numbers means power 3. So 1 cube comma 2 cube comma 3 cube comma 4 cube comma 5 cube. 1 cube means 1, 2 cube means 8, 3 cube means 27, 4 cube means 64, 5 cube means 125. Next, set of digits in Ramanujan number. Set of digits in Ramanujan number. So Ramanujan number is 1729, children. So in this, what are the digits, children? 1 comma 7 comma 2 comma 9. So problem is completed. Next, describing a set, children. So we are having two forms, children. First form is roster form or list form or tabular form. So we'll see, children. All the elements of the set are written in a row, separated by commas, and then enclosed in curly brackets, and then enclosed in a curly brackets like these, children. These all are roster forms only. Whatever statements are given, it is set builder form. So we'll see one by one, children. So all the elements of the set are written in a row, separated by commas, and then enclosed by curly brackets. This is known as roster form, children. So set of even numbers is given. How will you write, children? E is equals to 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8, so on. These all are written in a row by keeping commas and enclosed with curly brackets. So this form is known as roster form or list form or tabular form. Is it clear, children? Next, set builder form. Set builder form. In a set builder form, all the elements are described by a rule. The set builder form, all the elements are described by a rule. So if you take example 1 comma 3 comma 5, so it is there in roster form, children. How to write in set builder form? So x is such that x is equals to 2n plus 1, n belongs to w. So see, children, this is set of odd numbers, children. This is set of odd numbers, means 2n plus 1 format. Why? Because if you keep whole numbers starting from 0, in place of n if you keep 0, 2 into 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. Next, if you keep 1, 1 are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. It is coming or not, children? So it is a rule. So x such that x is equal to 2n plus 1, n belongs to w. Here we read this as such that. So by keeping commas in writing in a row included with curly brackets is known as roster form or list form or tabular form. So all the elements are described by a certain rule, means it is a set builder form, children. So these are the two important forms we are having in starting, children. You should remember carefully. We will see one by one, children. Later on problems are there. So meanwhile we are having do this, children. Some numbers are given below. Decide the numbers to which number set they belongs to and does not belongs to, and express with the correct symbols. So he's asking, they have given numbers, children. He's asking to give belongs to symbol as well as not belongs to symbol, children, for that number. One means one belongs to natural numbers. One does not belongs to irrational numbers. That's why Q dash. One does not belongs to irrational numbers. Next, 0 belongs to whole numbers, means W. 0 does not belongs to natural numbers. Is it clear, children? Next, -4 belongs to integers. -4 does not belongs to whole numbers. Next, 5 by 6 is given, children. 5 by 6 belongs to rational numbers, means Q. 5 by 6 does not belongs to Z, means it does not belongs to integers. Next, in this fifth one, children, 1.3 bar, children. So 1.3 bar belongs to Q, rational number it is. Why? Because every terminating decimal is a rational number, I already told. Next, 1.3 bar does not belongs to N. Next, root 2 belongs to Q dash, means irrational number. Root 2 does not belongs to Q. Next, log 2 belongs to Q dash, means it is a irrational, no, children, log 2. So log 2 belongs to Q dash. Log 2 does not belongs to Z, means it does not belongs to integers. Next, 0.03 belongs to Q, children. Why? Because it is a terminating decimal. Belongs to rational numbers. 0.03 does not belongs to Z. Next, pi. Pi is irrational number. I already told in your first chapter, children. So pi belongs to Q dash. Pi does not belongs to Z. So under root negative numbers, these numbers belongs to complex numbers, children. So you will come across in your intermediate standard, children. So under root negative values belongs to complex numbers C. But under root -4 does not belongs to R. It does not belongs to real numbers, children. Is it clear? Next to do this is Z, children. Is the question given like this: list the elements of the following sets. G is equals to all factors of 20. So he is asking to list all the factors of 20, means 20 goes in which table he is asking. 20 goes in 1 table, 20 goes in 2 table, 20 goes in 4 table, 5 table, 10 table, 20 table. So this form, which form, children, it is? It is a row star form. It is set builder form. Particular rule is there, not, children? So here questions is given in set builder form, means you will write answers in row star form, and if it is given in row star form, means you will write in set builder form. That you should remember. So next condition, children, f is equals to set of the multiples of 4 between 17 and 61, children, which are divisible by 7. So multiples of 4 between 17 and 61 which are divisible by 7, children. First of all, multiples of 4 between 17 and 61 will see, children. In between 17 and 61, what are the multiples of 4? 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, children. 64 means it will become more. So in these numbers, which number is divisible by 7, we should check, children. So multiples of 4 between 17 and 61 which are divisible by 7. So 20 not goes in 7 table, 24 not goes, 28 goes in 7 table, children. Next, 36 not goes, 40 not goes, 44 not goes, 48 not goes, 52 not goes, 56 goes in 7 table, children. So therefore, what is the answer, children? Multiples of 4 between 17 and 61 which are divisible by 7 is 28, 56. Is it clear, children? Next, in this third one, so x such that x is a letter in the word madam. So I already told definition means set definition, what I told, collection of distinct object, means you should not repeat. So here what is the first alphabet, children? M. So first of all, it is there in set builder form, right in row star form. So M, comma A, comma D. Next, already A we have written, no, children, don't write again. Next, already M also we have completed. So what is the row star form of madam? Mad. M, comma A, comma D. Is it clear, children? Next, P is equals to x such that x is the whole number between 3.5 and 6.7, children. 3.5 means 4. 6.7 means 7. In between 4 and 7, what are the numbers, children? 5 and 6. That like you should think, children. So whole number between 3.5 and 6.7 means 5 comma 6. Problem is completed. So whatever question is given, that is a set builder form, children. Whatever we written in answers, it is a roster form, children. Is it clear? What you understood the difference? It is a particular rule, and here we are writing in row by keeping commas and curly braces. Next, second question, children. Write the following sets in roster form. Roster form. So here set builder form is given, children. B is set of all months in a year having 30 days. So he is asking to write set of all months in a year having 30 days. So roster form is commas, right in a row and curly brackets. So in April month, comma June, comma September, comma November. In these 4 months we will have 30 days in these 4 months in a year. Next, P is a set of all prime numbers smaller than 10. So less than 10 prime numbers is asking to write. What are the, children? P is equals to 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. So I already gave prime number chart, children, in first chapter. Next, X is a set of colors of rainbow. Rainbow colors is asking to write. So what is that, children? X is equals to violet, comma indigo, comma blue, comma green, comma yellow, comma orange, comma red. So violet, comma indigo, comma blue, comma green, comma yellow, comma orange, comma red. So these are the colors of rainbow, children. Next, in this third question, A is a set of factors of 12. Which one of the following is not a member of A? So here options are given like this, children. 1, 4, 5, 12, children. So set of factors of 12 means 12 goes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, comma 12 table. So 1 is a member of A. Why? Because in one table 12 comes. 4 is a member of A. Why? Because big number is what? 12. Satisfied. Next, 5 is not member of A. Why? Because in 5 table 12 not goes. Next, 12 is member of A. Why? Because in 12 table 12 goes, children. That like you should do. Is it clear, children? Next, think and discuss, children. Can you write set of rational numbers listing element in it? No, we cannot list a set of rational numbers because they are infinite. Children. We cannot list the set of rational numbers because they are infinite. Try this. Write some sets of your choice involving algebraic and geometrical ideas is asking, children. So involving algebraic and geometrical ideas is asking to write set of odd numbers, children. Means x is hazard, x is equals to 2n plus 1, comma n belongs to w. So this is a algebraic idea. Next, a set of quadrilateral means rectangle, comma square, comma rhombus, so on. So it is a idea of geometrical. So is it clear, children? In case of set of even numbers, what will you write, children? X is such that x is equal to 2n only you should write. Why? Because even means multiples of 2, odd means it is not multiples of 2. That's why I have taken plus 1. Is it clear, children? Next, match the row star forms with the set builder forms. All left side values are row star, right side values are set builder. So is given like this. So prince, PRINCAL. So where it is located, children? D option. X is such that x is a letter of the word principal. D option. Next, 0 means singleton. 0 means x is an integer, x plus 1 equal to 1, children. Why? Because if you send this plus 1 that side, it will become 1 minus 1 is 0. X is equal to 0. Only one value we are having. So that's why C option. Next, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6 comma 9 comma 18, children. So if you see option number A, x is such that x is a positive integer and it is divisor of 18. Divisor of 18 means it goes in, which numbers goes in 18 table. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Means factors. Next, 3 comma 3 is there, children. The option is what? X is such that x is an integer and x square minus 9 equal to 0. If you send minus 9 that side, children, it will become plus 9. Power 2 is there now, children, that's why 3 will come 2 times. That's why here singleton 3 comma 3 is nothing but B option. So in this way you should do the problems, children. So in next video I will explain exercise 2.1. Is it clear, children? Okay.